back to my channel. Yes, so this time I am going to make a Biko. Biko is a rice cake. It is a native Filipino delicacy. Well, when it comes of cooking a Biko, it has so many ways of style how to cook it. Like some other provinces in the Philippines, most especially in the Visayas region, serve it with a native style, like they put it in a bamboo, bilao, or mostly they put it in a banana leaves. Well, in some provinces, Biko is one of their popular dessert in every occasions, like birthday, reunions, and mostly during fiestas. Ayan. Me, myself, I grew up also eating Biko during fiestas. That's why I love Biko. In some other places or provinces, well, Biko is one of their popular dessert for every occasions, like birthday, reunions, and mostly during fiestas. And some are usually make Biko during Souls Day or Halloween. Yes, but in the capital of the Philippines, they serve Biko as their merienda or afternoon snacks, or sometimes ginagawa nilang they eat it in a breakfast. Ayon. So now mga palangga, let's proceed to my ingredients before I will show you how I make my own style of Biko. Okay? So now mga palangga, here are my ingredients for my Biko. Of course, I have 1 kilo of glutinous rice, 500 grams of dark brown sugar, coconut milk, of course. This coconut milk are separated because it has different ways of use. I'm gonna use this 400 ml of coconut for latik. The one that we normally spread on top of Biko to make it special, syempre, di ba? Pwede ring wala, it's okay lang din. And this 1 liter of coconut, I'm gonna use it for combining with the rice. So later, I'll show you how I make my Biko. It's very easy, simple, and delicious. Alright, mga palangga, so let's proceed to the kitchen. So mga palangga, I'm going to cook the rice. But before that, let's wash the rice first. So here is our glutinous rice. So mga palangga, by washing, I only wash it once. And then mga palangga, I'm going to put some little water. And add some coconut milk. Of course, in normal ways, they just put water to cook rice. But for me, I just putting some coconut milk to make it taste so good. It depends on you mga palangga. And then mga palangga, make it sure that the rice is not overcooked. I mean, konting luto lang. Konting luto lang mga palangga, ha? Kasi after makook yung rice, maglulutuan pa rin tayo after that. Okay? So, ito na siya mga palangga. Lulutuin na natin siya. So, while we are waiting for the rice to cook mga palangga, I'm going to make a latik. So, this 400 ml of coconut milk is the one that I'm gonna make it to become latik. So, ibubuhos lang natin siya dito. So mga palangga, let's stay it there until it will become sticky. So never ever touch it or stir it para mamuo yung latik natin. So when the coconut milk becomes sticky, then this is the only time you stir it little by little. So mga palangga, this time our coconut milk is getting sticky or getting dry. So it's time to mix or stir just to check and to make it sure it will not get burned. Here is our latik. So, ayan na siya. Konti lang, di ba? Madaya yung binilhan ko eh. Puro tubig yung laman. Anyway, I'm going to drain the oil. And after that, mga palangga, I'm going to set aside this first for later. Okay? So, mga palangga, let's proceed to our last procedures. This time, I'm gonna cook the remaining coconut milk from 1 liter and combine the dark brown sugar. So here is our remaining coconut milk. I'm gonna add coconut, this dark brown sugar. And then mga palangga, I'm going to mix it a little while. So mga palangga, after stirring a little while, I'm going to add my cooked rice. Stir it continuously until it will become thick or cook. Iba naman kasi mga palangga, they have their own style of cooking. So this one is my own style, of course. So since my rice is not totally cooked, kaya dito ko siya ipa-finalize habang hinihintay natin mag-dry siya. So this time mga palangga, I'm going to cover it up and leave it for about 5 minutes. Para bang nagluluto lang tayo ng rice na hinintay natin magluto. So after 5 minutes mga palangga, I'm going to stir this continuously until maging dry na siya. As you can see, my Biko is getting dry and sticky. Yan siya. I think this is final mga palangga. I'm gonna serve this and ilalagay natin yung ating latik. Alright? So, here it is mga palangga. Yan. So, here is our latik. And I'm going to spread it on top. Here. Here it is. That's it. There you have it, mga palangga.
button. So, bye-bye!